Hello friends. So we have an exercise today. There are 15 test frames and we can choose either the simple present, present continuous or present perfect according to the time scale. Let's see. So he to America. You cannot say he is going to America or he goes to America. That will be something like a habit, isn't it? He is going to America. He has gone to America. Right? Yes. So you can say he has gone. Next. That's the question, you know. So, is he finishing his work? You cannot say. Then there are two gaps. So, does he finish his work? That also you cannot say. You cannot again say, does he finish his work? You can say only, has he finished his work? Has he? Has he finished his work? Has he finished? Yes. So that is one more is finished his work. There are two, so you cannot say, I am never seeing to, I am never being to Iceland, you cannot say. I am never being to, no. I have never been to. I have never been to Iceland. Fourth one. Who is taking this? Who takes this? Who takes this? Who has taken this? So when you compare, you find that. Yes. Who has taken this? Who has taken this? Where is he disappearing? You cannot say. Where he disappears? Where does he disappear? Where has he disappeared? Where has he disappeared? Send it. That is the correct. Next. It is raining now. It has rained now, you cannot say. It rains now, you cannot say. So it is raining. It is raining now. Some people dash WhatsApp addicts. Some people are WhatsApp addicts, you cannot say. That you can say. Some people are WhatsApp addicts, you can say. One option is correct. Some people are addicting to WhatsApp, you cannot say. So that you can say. Some people are WhatsApp addicts. They are not true. They are not facts. Not just now. It doesn't mean just now or anything like. Just my novel. Very clear, because there is a word signaling the tense present perfect. I have just finished, just completed this. I have just completed my novel. We not see yet. So yet, again there is a signaling word, yet. Present continuous. So we have not seen, we have not seen him yet. But up to this moment, we have not seen him. That is, the moment the action is finished. They just from back, they have just returned. They have just returned. Here we have returned, sorry. Returned from Paris. Means just arrived. Heaven knows the truth. Heaven is knowing the truth now. Heaven has known the truth. Possible. But the best is heaven knows the truth. Because that is a general fact. General fact, heaven knows. They have played cards. Okay. They play cards. That is their habit. They are playing cards. So any one of these. So the best I think is they are playing. They are playing. When you compare, you will find that is the best option. Now next, baby, already done it. Bobby, already. That is, you have got the present perfect. That sense is there. So, Bobby has already done it. The baby cries. Not good. The baby has cried. The baby is crying. Now. The baby is crying. Now. And the rest, be, and the verb is be. So we know it is, it is, present continuous is not possible. So option is it has been. It has been. It has been a tough job for us to rescue him. So rescuing is all. See, one point that you can remember is this. We are not concerned when the action started. We are concerned only about the finishing point. Understand? Our concern is not when the action started, but our concern is the finishing point. When has it finished? In such situations, we use the present perfect. You compare this, you can see that. No? When you compare these sentences, you can see. See, when you say he has gone to America, it's just not finished. We are not concerned about when he started the preparation, how long ago, applying passport, none of those things. See that? But on the other hand, you can see here, it is raining. Well, it is raining now. Now, it has rained now, you cannot say. It rains now, you cannot say. It is raining now. See that? The action continuing at the time of speaking. So if you have got a, suppose you have a, this is the present, time present. Suppose we consider this as time present. Simple present means any time here. Any time. Simple present is any time in the present. Any time. Present continuous means, see, a particular point time. That is now. Now. Action is taking place now. He is running, they are playing, he is eating, they are studying, he is writing. See, now. But end of the present time, that is here, ends. The present perfect. Present perfect here, in this point. That means, just finished. Next thing will be future. Understand that? Next time will be future time. I have just finished. I have just taken my bath. See, they have just gone out. They have gone out. It has rained. Finished. Now you don't see rain. It has rained. Listen, they have left for China. They have left. Now they are not here. Already gone. They have left for there. Listen. What is that? I have jumped. Jumped. Over. So by the time of speaking, action is over. Now you can say like this. Simple present, any time in the present. Present continuous means at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking. Present perfect means by the time of speaking. By the time of speaking. Action is over. At the time of speaking, action continues. That's present continuous. By the time of speaking, action is over. I have thrown. Oh, I have thrown. Finished. See, I have, or he has written. All. He writes novels. Anytime. Anytime we can. He is writing a novel. Now, he has written a novel. Over. What the point? So we will see more of this next class. Till then, bye.